What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour, the hourly, and the weekly chart to see if we get any clues on what is going to happen for Bitcoin next. That sounds good to you guys. We're going to jump right into the hourly chart here for BTC. Before we jump into the hourly chart, guys, if you can guys go follow me on my new Instagram, link is pinned right in the description and also pinned on the top comment in the comment section below. Go follow me over there. I'm going to do a $50 giveaway for when we hit 1,000 followers to a random follower, okay? Let's jump right into the hourly chart here and not waste any more time, guys. And as you guys can see, we did break this upward support here on the hourly chart for BTC, and we actually came back up, tried to get back above it, and we got rejected and now continuing back down. Right now, we're sitting right about 48,750, and I do expect our next move to be at least back down to this 47,528 area to try to retest where we went down to last time. You guys can see our last big move was down to on April 23rd, which was yesterday at 8 a.m. We actually came back down to test that area. So that is our next move on the 4-hour time frame. We do have room to run down on our 1-hour RSI. You guys can see we are not even close to oversold yet. So we do have room to run down further. Now, if we switch on over to our weekly chart, this is what I really wanted to talk about, guys, and this is what I do expect to happen here over the course of the next couple of days. It is the weekend, so this is actually really, really good timing. You guys can see our 20-week moving average is right here, and this is our bull market support. You guys know we've been talking about this forever on the channel. It's our bull market support. We always come back down and test it on our dips, especially in 2017. You guys can see every single dip we came back down to test that 20-week moving average, and that's what I expect to happen this time around. I think we're going to get a huge bounce once we go down to this 20-week moving average, which right now sits at about 44,750. So, I mean, all in all, it's not a huge dip, guys, and I don't think there's any reason to panic. We look for where we are right now, down to our 20-week. It's only about another 8% dip down to the downside. So if an 8% dip is going to shake you guys out, then, well, I don't think if you guys, like I said this on Twitter the other day, if you guys can't handle the bad, then you don't deserve the good, right? It's very, very common knowledge in life where if you can't handle the bad times, you don't deserve the good times. So 8% dip down to our 20-week moving average, where I expect us to get a nice dip back down here. And the balance that we will get off the 20-week moving average will be absolutely insane, in my opinion. Everyone that I've seen talk about this has buy orders set at that 20-week moving average. So I think we're going to get a monumental bounce like we've never seen before once we hit that 20-week moving average, especially with all these institutions and things of that nature looking to scoop up this cheap Bitcoin, which it really is. It's cheap Bitcoin. I mean, think about it this way, guys. When we were talking about Bitcoin back here, when we were really going up a lot, and we hit this top up here, back up towards 60K, everyone and their mother was like, "Oh, I would buy my house. I would sell my kids." I'm just kidding. You don't sell your kids, guys. But yeah, you would do all that stuff if Bitcoin went to the 40Ks and buy more Bitcoin. So, guys, where are all those people now, right? We're finally getting that cheap Bitcoin, but yet now everyone's fudding and everyone's saying the bull market's over when it's we've only literally had about a 27% correction, which is totally normal in Bitcoin. Go back to 2017, we had corrections of 30 to 50%, 8 times, all right? I went and counted. We had 30, 50% corrections 8 times in 2017. So this is nothing to worry about, guys. I am expecting a bounce off 44,700. We may have a quick wick below, right? We can always wick below, but our weekly close will always be above that level. Now, will this happen this week or will it happen next week? Well, I don't think a lot of people know that, right? It could happen. We could get, obviously we have our weekly close this week, so we could close this weekly candle and then start a new weekly candle, right? And then hit our 20-week moving average as it slowly moves up, hit it, and then finally get our big bounce to the upside. That's what I'm expecting to happen. You guys can see back in 2017 also, one quick thing on this is every time we hit that 20-week moving average, we got a massive pump back up. You guys can see right here where we hit it, and then we got a massive green dildo back to the upside. You can see right here, we hit it, we get a massive wick back up, right? We don't last too long down in those areas most of the time, right? Usually we hit it and we get big pumps back up to the upside. Even right here, like we kind of grinded against it, but we were generally in a upwards trend as we hit that 20-week moving average. So that's what I'm expecting to happen, guys. And I did want to do a quick update video on Bitcoin, as I've been talking about it on the live streams, but not so much on YouTube here. Like I said, there's not much point in talking about the altcoins as long as Bitcoin is moving down, because unfortunately, the altcoins do follow what Bitcoin does. So watch Bitcoin closely. Make sure you guys are watching. All right, so hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, leave a like, leave a subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the live stream later on. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram down below. Peace out.